News are me. How should we treat businesses that make money from carbon pollution when there is a climate crisis? By Alistair Woodward, a professor at the University of Auckland School of Population Health, The Conversation. In June, when he announced the first emissions reduction plan for the New Zealand government, Climate Change Minister James Shaw said, "The climate crisis is no longer happening somewhere else, to someone else, in the future. It is happening here, to us, right now." The plan, which sets the course for climate action for the next 15 years, says that emissions from transportation must be cut by more than 40% by 2035 compared to 2019. In the same month, Ford started a New Zealand Drives a Ranger campaign for its mostly diesel-powered, high-emissions double-cab ute. The Ranger is still the best-selling new car in the country, and the addition of a V6 model has increased the average CO2 emissions of the new line more than before. We have a problem. On the one hand, taking action on climate change means cutting greenhouse gas pollution quickly and deeply. At the same time, businesses move in the opposite direction if they think reducing carbon quickly will hurt their business. Finding a solution to this conflict between urgency and business will be hard. As temperatures rise, many people may no longer be able to live where they are. For the world to have a good chance of staying within 1.5 to 2 degrees of warming, sharp cuts in emissions must be made in this decade. But fossil fuels are used for most things we do every day. This includes the building, food, transportation, and IT industries. Google emits about 10 million tons of CO2 yearly. If you don't do anything about the conflicts between public policy and business interests, it could be hard to do anything about the climate. Some business groups are strong supporters of sustainability, and others are good leaders in the community regarding climate change. But there are many examples of industries doing things to hurt policies meant to cut pollution. There is a lot of evidence that oil companies have worked together for decades to mess with climate science. Greenwashing is a common way to put things off less aggressively.